After experiencing losses on Tuesday's tumultuous trading session, the options exchange wasted no time in strategizing a recovery plan. One of our members faced a setback, and we immediately stepped in to guide them through the process of rolling over the loss to the next day's trading session. With diligence and determination, we meticulously assessed market conditions and identified opportunities for redemption. On Wednesday, we executed a put vertical of 5,105,105 for 95 cents, capitalizing on favorable market movements. As the day progressed, we closely monitored the trade, ultimately closing it at 30 cents for a profit of 65 cents per contract. This successful recovery not only recouped losses, but also set a positive tone for the remainder of the week. Building on our momentum, Thursday presented another opportunity for growth. We entered into a put vertical of 5,135,140 for 70 cents, leveraging market trends to our advantage. With precision and agility, we managed the trade effectively, closing it at 35 cents for a profit of 50%, a remarkable achievement in a single day. Through meticulous analysis, strategic decision-making, and unwavering commitment, we not only did we start to recover from Tuesday's losses, but also emerged stronger and more resilient. These successes underscore our dedication to navigating the intricacies of the market and achieving profitable outcomes for our members. At the Options Exchange, every setback is an opportunity for growth, and every challenge is met with determination and expertise. As we continue our journey, we remain steadfast in our pursuit of excellence, empowering our members to thrive in the dynamic world of options trading.